Hey, stop, stop, stop. Listen, top ones. Which of the following is not a characteristic of effective professional leadership and management? The question is, which of the following is not a characteristic of effective professional leadership and management? A. Empathy and emotional intelligence. B. Flexibility and adaptability. C. Micromanaging and controlling behavior. D. Visionary thinking and strategic planning. Okay, top ones. You need to identify and differentiate the two. Mahiwagang keywords and mahiwagang answers. All you have to do is to pair it both so that you would derive your final nearest possible answer. Okay, top ones, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, which is Board Exam Victory, you may subscribe now so that you would receive and review the past questions that will come out in your licensure examinations. Okay, top ones, what is your clue? What is your keyword here? Your clue and keyword is you have two. You have your primary and secondary keyword. The first one is not. Okay? Is not. Bakit po? Is not. Because kasali po siya sa absolute keywords. What are the examples of absolute keywords? For example, least, most likely, never, except, all but one, is not. Those are examples, are absolute keywords. So what's your secondary keyword? You have your effective professional leadership and management. What is the subject matter on this question? The subject matter is under leadership and management. Okay, top ones. So what is your correct answer? So if we say um, empathy and emotional intelligence, is that a part? Is not a characteristic? That is part. You need to be empathic, okay? You need to have emotions because you are dealing with people. You are dealing with human beings, okay? Homo sapiens. How about flexibility and adaptability? Yes, you need to be flexible as a leader. You need to adapt if you're having the management. How about visionary thinking and strategic planning? You need to be visionary. Yes, as a leader, you need to foresee. Okay, you need to see before mangyari sa iyo. That is visionary thinking. How about strategic planning? Yes, that is part on the management. Okay, top ones. Always remember. Ano po ang lalabas mostly? Which is nakaligtaan mo, matutunan. That lalabas on your licensure examinations. You have your professional ethics and management. You have basic logic. You have statistics. You have research. You have mathematics. You have constitution and laws. And also, leadership and management. Huwag niyo pong kaligtaan. Read as much as you can because mostly it will add to your scores. Okay? The correct answer, top ones, is letter. Okay, letter C, very good. Micromanaging and controlling behavior. Okay, why is that so? Why is not a characteristic? Because micromanaging is a negative. Okay, it decreases. Okay, your management. While controlling behavior, you subdue your people. Okay, so that is not a characteristic of effective professional leadership and management. Okay, top ones. Here's a tip. What is the best prayer for what is the best prayer for every question, every test item? So listen to this. Here is the best prayer for every question. Hear, O God, my prayers. Look in favor at my pain. Hear and act. Do not delay, for I bear your name. So that is an example. You can do any prayer, whatever religions that you have, sect or beliefs, you can do so basta meron kang effective prayer for each question. So that you would derive more wisdom, the best, and also the best possible answer. Okay, thank you for listening and God bless po.